Hey guys, Touch Dile everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make Tibetan loco momo. It's loco momo is similar to tingmo but not exactly tingmo. So hopefully you guys love this recipe and let's get started how to make. And before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first I'm going to tell you in loco momo ingredients are very simple. We need some flour and salt, some oil and normal water and baking powder. If you don't have baking powder, so you can go with yeast also. So let's get started. Now you can add the flour how much you're going to make. Now next I'm going to add some salt, just a little bit. Second, I'm going to add baking powder. It's around 1 tablespoon. And I'm going to mix it. First, dry ingredient, mix it very nicely. I'm going to add water. Add water slowly. Now continuously mix it well until dough becomes soft and smooth. Add the oil just a little bit and apply. Okay, now it's done. I'm going to cover and leave it for 25 minutes. Alright guys, can you see my dough already increased the size? Now we can add some flour, just a little bit, and put here. Now I'm going to set aside for minutes. First we're going to apply the oil. Take a fry pan. If you have non-stick fry pan, it's better. It will not stick. Okay, now I'm going to heat the fry pan. Keep it low flame and just heat it and just move on. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut just shape and like this. After that, just make a hole. You don't need to make direct hole, just I don't know how to explain. It's very difficult to explain actually. My English is not good. So you guys see in my hand what I am doing. Then make shape evenly size. Like these sizes you need to make evenly. Just round and make it like this. Can you see? Push and make round shape. Just press this 4 finger. You have to press and this finger you need to push inside. Now my fry pan already heat. Now I'm going to put here little space we need. Okay, now I'm going to make high heat and cook for high heat for few minutes until not bottom will golden brown color. So if like this, then it's ready. Now I'm gonna add hot water. Add the water, cover the momo. After this, cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna turn on the heat. Now all the water is gone. Perfect. Wow, it looks delicious. Now it's done. Okay guys, so this is my final result. Logo momo is ready. So it's look delicious. Now you can go with any vegetable as you like. So here I serve with some emateache and mixed pork vegetable. So my next video is on this recipe I'm going to upload. If you want to know how to make pork mixed vegetable, so stay with me and I will upload in next week. So emateache video I already upload video, so you can check it out. And if you want to know for more recipe guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and every time enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.